You, but I already have it level 50.
Wait, will you say
Here,
that?
there's some food for your dino.
What are all these?
Sorry for that. Okay. Make sure I'm not muted. Where is it? Come here. Okay, I am not muted. FOV. Let's go see how much my dog got. Well, how many bones my dog got me overnight. So let's go check. Here is my autistic dog. 2,000. Let's go see if we can sacrifice it, since I've seen a lot of people say you can. I've seen a lot of people say you can't, so let's bust the myth. You cannot. It just disappears and does not give you 10,000 extra bones. Do not listen to those liars. Anyways, I'll be telling you guys how often your dog gives you bones. So your dog gives you bones every, like, 1 to 3 times every week. So you can get really lucky and get a gold bone for the 100 nugs. Yes, 100 nugs. Or you can get one that's worth 2,000 bones or 5,000 bones. And I've only got 2,000 bones. So wish all of you guys luck to find all of them. But have a blessed day, have a good day, and goodbye.